Welcome back, guys. Part 3. Yes, I had no intentions of this being a part 3. And guys, before you watch this video, I highly recommend you watch part 1 and part 2. In fact, I will card part 1 right here, because likely you will be totally lost if you don't know where I'm at this stage of the troubleshoot. Okay, so I highly recommend you watch part 1 there. And in fact, after you watch part 1, I highly recommend you watch this card right here, which is part 2. Alright, watch both of those, guys, so you will not be lost, because I don't want you to miss anything. In fact, when that happens, a lot of guys ask questions or comments on something that was discussed in 1 and 2. Okay, so here we are, guys. It's a little hammering, noisy going on, but let's take a look at where we're at. All right. Remember, guys, we was trying to find out why we keep getting a fault code for TPS or the throttle body problems. And after getting ready to do my breakout box testing, according to the diagnostic tree, I was in the process of removing the PCM connector so I can do my testing, and lo and behold, I found gremlins. I found little problems right here with some pins. Okay, and I also found some liquid. As a matter of fact, you can still see some right here. Okay, matter of fact, some still in there. All right, so guys, what I want to do is simply the easy thing to try. Very easy. Okay, before you start trying to fix connectors, and now depends on how well I can clean that up, would dictate if I need to go inside this terminal. In fact, let me show y'all something, guys. Yes, guys, here's a typical PCM connector. Typically, if you was chasing a terminal, you would have to get this red facing out. In this case, it's orange, but same theory apply, guys. You take a pick, pry this out if you're trying to repair one of these. Okay, now I really want to avoid having to do that. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is this is what I'm gonna try. This is the first easiest thing you can try. Like I say, don't just jump trying to cut wires, splice wires, and do pins. If you don't have to, you may have to, but this is worth a try. Okay, we're gonna talk about that when I get back. I gotta go to a break right quick. Let me go grab what I need. All right, stay tuned. I'll be right back. We are back, guys. What we're gonna do is make an attempt. We're gonna attempt to try to do this the easy way. We're gonna at least verify if it's doable. Okay, what I'm talking about, guys, like we talked earlier, we're gonna try to clean all this up. All right, I really don't want to break terminals out and cut terminals and wire and all that. So guys, look what I have. Ta-da! Yes, it's a secret to most electrical wiring repair when it comes to high resistance. If you're trying to clean up a circuit. All right, we're gonna use this electrical contact cleaner made by Mopar, guys. We'll see what happens, guys. So like I said, I do not want to do any kind of hardcore cleaning, so let's do this the easy way, or try. We're gonna make an attempt. All right, let's see how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna merely spray down here, guys. All right, this stuff's supposed to break down any gremlins, any kind of see, I'm gonna go get an air blower and try to blow all that out. Let's do the controller first. This is still liquid based. I don't really want it to soak in there. Really just want to clean up the terminal, so let me get that out. Now let me grab my blower and blow that out and see. We're gonna see what happens, guys. This is all trial and error, because quite frankly, technically, I'm trying to save them from replacing the PCM and repairing the wiring. So you may not have that liquid on the head like that, but I'm trying something, guys, so do not dog me out. This is all a try. Let's get it. All right, I have my air blower. Let's see, those terminals still have, yeah, that may not work out as planned. Depends on the contacts. Okay, may still look like it's dirty and nasty, but depends on the contact, really. So still would like to know how that moisture got in here, guys. I'm no engineer by no means, but the suspense is killing me. I want to know. All right, we got the controller clean up as best it's gonna get without actually going inside. Now what I want to attempt to do is clean out this connector, guys. Wow, look at those little gremlins. Okay, let's see what happens, man. I don't know, guys. It's all trial and error. Try to get as much out of the whole connector, because if it came once, it likely will come again. Like, I don't know what caused it. Really want to get into those real deep green ones. All right, where's my blower? Oh. Wow, guys, still dirty. Here's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna plug this up and see if that code's still active. If it's not, I know I'm on to something. If the code's still active, I will have to go inside here and get all these green terminals cleaned up, guys. So we're trying to go the easy route. So I'm gonna plug everything back in, fire the card, and see if that code active. What we're trying to see is if the computer sees the problem as we speak. That's what active means. Yes, it's happening right now. All right, so let me get all this put back in, all this bolted up, and we're gonna do some more checks, guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Alrighty, guys, we're back. Guys, I'm about to wrap this video up, but what I want to leave with you guys is a couple of things. Okay, now I got my connectors. I did a quick electrical contact clean. Okay, what I was trying to do, the purpose behind that is to find out very quickly would that help the problem, because if so, I will have to go to full-blown repair mode. But my goal here is to find out simply, was that my problem between the controller and the actual throttle body. Okay, so what I'm fixing to do right now to verify something that would help me move quickly with this. Keep in mind, I've been on this car too long, and time is money, so I have to hurry, make a decision, figure out what to do what I need to do. Okay, but for you guys out there, do not let speed hinder your diagnosis. Okay, now here's what we're gonna do. Here's what I want to do. I got that semi-clean using this. All right, now what I did was plug it back up. I got my connector plug back up. That is the circuit from here to here, supposedly, if all the wiring in there is good. So what we gonna do now is the same thing we did last time. We're gonna start the key or turn the key on and see if this code is active anymore. All right, I have my scan tool hooked up. Let me yes, okay, the key is on. Now guys, let's go to the scan. Let's go to the computer. All right, guys, here we are. What we want to do first is okay, yes, most of these, they may be still active from the last repair. So what I want to do, guys, is clear this and see if it come back as quickly as the last time. All right, so let's erase all these codes. I have codes in the PCMB. I don't know what these are all about, but what we want to do, let me look at them first. Okay, yes, I still have, hey guys, they are stored. We could be on to something. Yes. All right, what I want to do now, I want to clear all DTCs. And ladies and gentlemen, what you will find, all DTCs clear as nothing. I have absolutely no DTCs. Before I get happy, let me click this. Yes, PCM is still blue. Now there's codes inside of the door module, but I'm not concerned with that. I am concerned with this, guys. That is a good sign. Before that trouble code was active. Guys, let me start this car up and see if this remain a non-trouble code. Hold tight, let me start the car up.